garlic lamb spinach stew, or black pepper garlic lamb spinach bowl, or black pepper garlic mutton spinach stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the mutton recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the spinach recipes and one of the most different of the leg of lamb recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the bowl recipes. Today we are going to make black pepper garlic mutton spinach stew. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. onion, salt, caraway all mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Paprika. Now put in a spoon of mixture spices, a spoon of black pepper powder, and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in salt to taste, salt, and mix thoroughly. Mutton pieces. Thoroughly mix with the rest of the mixture. For 5 to 6 minutes. Put in the red spinach leaves. Thoroughly mix. Saute mix for 2 to 3 minutes. And let this mixture cook for 30 minutes in pressure cook. cooking for the required amount of time. Put in some curry leaves as garnish. Now the black pepper, garlic, lamb, spinach stew is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, garlic, mutton, spinach stew, or black pepper, garlic, lamb spinach stew, or black pepper, garlic, lamb spinach bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the black pepper recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the spinach recipes and one of the most delicious of the red spinach recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.